Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your name through an affidavit. This method provides a straightforward way to legally declare a new name. We will cover the essential steps, from preparing your document to updating your personal records. It is a common and effective approach for many individuals seeking a name change. Understanding each stage will help ensure a smooth and successful transition to your new identity. When drafting your affidavit, precision is key. You must clearly state your current legal name and the new name you wish to adopt. Be sure to include your date of birth, current address, and a brief, truthful reason for the name change. This document serves as your formal declaration, so ensure all information is accurate and complete. Taking your time here prevents future complications. After drafting, the next crucial step is notarization. You must sign your affidavit in the presence of a notary public, who will verify your identity and affix their official seal. This step legally authenticates your declaration. Following notarization, you will submit the document to the designated government office, which could be a local court or a vital records department, depending on your jurisdiction. Once your name change is official, the final yet vital step is updating all your personal records. This includes your driver's license, passport, and social security card. Remember to notify your bank, employer, and any educational institutions. Consistency across all your documents and accounts is essential to avoid future discrepancies and ensure your new name is fully recognized everywhere. This process can take several weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.